Hey guys, so I'm back with another unboxing video, and because I had yesterday a couple of items turned up, so I've decided this time I'm going to do another unboxing video. This is my the Blu-ray box set which turned up, and it's basically, I'll show you right now, Pink Floyd, and it's the Delicate Sound of Thunder, which is the 4-disc 2 CD Blu-ray and DVD, and it's the remastered where you get like extra tracks, 40-page book, postcards, poster, and various stuff like that. And I'm eager to actually watch it. So yeah, so basically let's get into the unboxing. I always make a little tear because I'm using one hand, so then it's easier for when I unbox it, so I can actually get into it a lot easier. But come on, baby. Yep. So that's the box set. I've not got the original because I've just never got around to getting it, but I noticed this version was available for pre-order, so I pre-ordered it, and I thought definitely. But I like the cover, the artwork, it's pretty cool. So yeah, so you get the oh, this is cool. The book. It's got artwork and bits. That is pretty cool. That is very cool, that artwork book. Postcards. That's cool. When it lets me get it out. Another postcard. More postcard. The poster. I don't fancy ripping it, so I'm just going to bear with me. I'm going to take my time because that's the last thing I'd want to do, is rip a poster that I got free something, because that would be bad. But yeah, so basically there's the one side, and that's the other side, which is pretty cool. It will be kept in the box set because I won't put the poster up, because it's what I do. But oh, so they come in these type. I was expecting like say cases or something, but that's pretty cool. And basically this is the rest of them. I'm eager to watch this and give it a go, so I'm very happy that I've got it. 4 discs, so basically 2 CD with a 4 gig of Blu-ray and a DVD. And yeah, so basically the back cover, which tells you a bit about it, which was recorded 5 nights in '88 at the Long Island, New York, USA, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so that's basically the unboxing video of Floyd, and I'm eager to watch it. But if anybody wants to know what I'm currently listening to at the moment, I'm on the 2nd disc of this, which I unboxed, which is Demons and Wizards, Touched by the Crimson King, and the 2nd disc is just all the demos, so I'm happy enjoying this. But yeah, I'll watch Pink Floyd in a moment when this is finished. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.